Hello everybody, this is Mike Kilgore. I'm coming to you today with Greg Kelley with All Around Tampa Bay. And if you're looking to get your sealers done, I want to let you know that Greg is the person that you definitely want to reach out to. Been doing this for a long time, gone through all of the training, and is a master certified contractor. Now, what does that exactly mean? That means that him and his entire crew has also gone through the intro to sealing, the intermediate to sealing, the advanced training, and the step-by-step sealing. Greg has been to every single training that we have done. So not only is he making sure that he's going to do the right thing for you and your project, but he's also going to make sure that his crew has come to every single one of our trainings. So if you're looking for somebody to come out and do a fantastic job, Greg is the person that you want to reach out to with All Around Tampa Bay. And want to let you know that because Greg is a master certified contractor, he has the full support of Trident to make sure that if anything goes wrong, you know that we're going to be there for him. So we want to appreciate Greg for going through all the training, and he does fantastic work, not only for his clients, but he's also going to do a fantastic job for you.